Hop in the car, let's go to Bluff Knoll.
Yeah, with my dog.
What are you doing in here when the dog thinks she's coming to Bluff Knoll? G'day Australia, welcome back to another episode of Fin Adventures. Today we climb Bluff Knoll. We'll meet you at the top. Good job.
Yeah.
How's it going, kids?
I'm dying.
Yeah, it's hard work.
Right,
Yes,
wait, look at me, both of you.
Hard work. I don't know if you can see it on the GoPro, but I think we're up in the clouds now. We're starting to get up the top. Man. Bluff Knoll, boy. She ain't for the weak. See us at the top. Oh, we got water on it, but look at this. We got 100 metres to go. Man, let's go. Let's rock and roll, baby. We're nearly there. I didn't really feel much on the way up because it was pitch black, but it's just got first light now. Sunrise is about 7:10, but yeah, we're nearly at the top. We'll see you up there. Cookies for lunchtime break. Use your tea. Tea.
Nope.
Tea.
No. I'm getting there.
You're getting there.
This is so sucks. Jed, how cold is it?
Very cold.
Wow. This is definitely not worth it.
We made it to the top of Bluff Knoll. It's cold.
So cold.
And we're about to walk back down. It's Bluff Knoll. I'll just wipe the camera. But yeah, she's a trek, but I made it. Going back down now. Hopefully we get some views on the way back down. We'll go from there. This here was 100% accurate. Once you got up around that corner, it really changed. Still can't see shit. And I got that feeling like I didn't achieve anything because I can't see anything. So we're still going. That's our view still. Still really can't see much. Can we?
Are we almost there yet?
No.
No, I remember.
Bit to go, but it's beautiful. But yeah, I do feel a bit gypped that we can't see anything because we're in the cloud, or it's foggy, or all of the above. I didn't film any of this because it was dark this morning when we left, but they could have told me that before I would have set off out on it. There's only one level up. 3.1 kilometers. And seriously,
Very mixed terrain.
take all of that and some. Probably don't need the sunscreen. because that's the weather. So that's the front half of Bluff Knoll right there. We were like there, but as you can see, vision is still terrible, even though we're down the bottom. Bit disappointing.
You coming for another run?
I wouldn't say this hike is good for your mental health, let's put it that way. Well, that's pretty much the end of Bluff Knoll. We've just got to get down there, and the car park's down there. We didn't see anything, so I'm going to say I'm going to put this up as, like, you know, one of those ones where the realisticness of Bluff Knoll sometimes, and now it's actually raining. So there you go. Don't forget to like and subscribe for this one, because I've really put my body on the line. Possibly could have died. So share it with your friends, and don't forget, keep on smiling. Thanks for watching.